Ever dream of earning while you sleep? Many people wonder, can YouTube really generate passive income? The answer is a cautious yes. YouTube automation can be your ticket to a steady stream of revenue, but it's not a magic button. It takes effort, strategy, and a bit of tech savviness. Imagine waking up to find your channel has gained subscribers and views overnight. That's the power of automation. By automating key aspects of your channel, you can free up your time and focus on creating high-quality content. But before you dive in, it's crucial to understand the ins and outs of YouTube automation. Let's break it down and explore how you can turn your channel into a passive income powerhouse. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's get started. YouTube automation is like having a team of tireless assistants working behind the scenes 24/7. It involves using tools and strategies to streamline or automate tasks like video editing, uploading, optimization, and promotion. Think of it as building a well-oiled machine that runs smoothly, even when you're away from your computer. By automating repetitive tasks, you free up valuable time to focus on what matters most, creating engaging content. One of the key components of YouTube automation is using scheduling tools. These tools allow you to schedule your videos to publish at optimal times, ensuring maximum visibility and engagement. Another important aspect is leveraging automation for tasks like keyword research, social media sharing, and email marketing. This helps you reach a wider audience and grow your channel exponentially. Don't just take our word for it. Countless YouTubers have cracked the automation code and achieved remarkable success. Take, for example, channels dedicated to relaxing music or nature sounds. These channels often feature long, looping videos with minimal editing, yet they generate millions of views and a steady income stream. Educational channels are another prime example. By creating evergreen content that remains relevant over time, these channels attract a consistent flow of viewers and revenue. The key takeaway here is that automation is not a one-size-fits-all approach. The best strategies will vary depending on your niche, target audience, and content format. But the success stories demonstrate that with the right approach, YouTube automation can be a game changer. Now let's talk tools. Just like a carpenter needs the right tools to build a house, YouTubers need the right software and services to automate their channels effectively. First up, video editing software is your best friend. Look for user-friendly options with automation features like batch editing, intro, outro insertion, and audio leveling. Next, you'll need a reliable scheduling tool. This will be your command center for scheduling videos, tracking analytics, and managing your channel's growth. Don't forget about keyword research tools. These tools help you identify popular search terms related to your niche, allowing you to optimize your videos for maximum visibility. Finally, consider using social media management tools to automate your promotional efforts. These tools allow you to schedule posts, track engagement, and interact with your audience across multiple platforms. Automation can streamline your workflow, but it's the quality of your content that will ultimately determine your success. Here are some content strategies to maximize your automated growth. First, focus on creating evergreen content. Evergreen content remains relevant and engaging over time, ensuring a consistent stream of views and revenue. Think tutorials, educational videos, or top 10 lists. Second, repurpose your existing content. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Repurpose your videos into shorter clips, blog posts, or social media updates to reach a wider audience. Third, leverage user-generated content. Encourage your viewers to create and share their own content related to your channel. This not only provides you with valuable content, but also fosters a sense of community. Remember, content is king, even in the realm of automation. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience, and watch your channel soar. Evergreen content is the gift that keeps on giving. Unlike trending topics that fade quickly, evergreen content remains relevant and valuable for months, even years to come. Think of it as the foundation of your automated YouTube empire. These videos will continue to attract views and generate revenue long after you've hit the publish button. What makes content evergreen? It tackles timeless topics, provides practical advice, or offers information that people will always be searching for. For example, a tutorial on how to edit photos, a recipe for a classic dish, or a guide to personal finance will always be in demand. By creating a library of evergreen content, you'll establish a solid foundation for your channel's growth and ensure a consistent stream of passive income. Even in the automated world of YouTube, collaboration is key. Partnering with other creators in your niche can expose your channel to a wider audience and boost your visibility. Look for creators with a similar target audience but different content styles. This will create a win-win situation for both parties, as you'll be introducing your viewers to fresh content while tapping into a new pool of potential subscribers. Cross-promotion is another powerful strategy. Promote your YouTube channel on your other social media platforms, website, or email list. Encourage your existing followers to check out your videos and subscribe to your channel. Remember, collaboration is not about competing for views, it's about growing together. By supporting other creators and cross-promoting your content, you'll create a thriving community and expand your reach exponentially. Now, let's talk about the money. YouTube automation can unlock various monetization methods, allowing you to turn your passion into profit. The most common method is through advertising revenue. As your channel grows and attracts more views, you can enable monetization and earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. Partner with brands relevant to your niche and promote their products or services in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Consider selling your own products or services if you have expertise in a particular area. Create digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates, or offer consulting services related to your niche. Remember, monetization should never come at the expense of your content's quality. Focus on providing value to your audience, and the revenue will follow. Before you hit that upload button, it's crucial to understand the ins and outs of copyright and fair use. Using copyrighted material without permission can lead to copyright strikes, which can harm your channel's reputation and even result in termination. Always use royalty-free music and sound effects, or obtain the necessary licenses for any copyrighted material you wish to use. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's fair use guidelines, which allow for the limited use of copyrighted material for purposes such as criticism, commentary, or parody. When in doubt, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Obtain permission from the copyright holder or explore alternative options to avoid any legal issues. While YouTube automation can be a game changer, it's essential to be aware of potential pitfalls that can derail your efforts. One common mistake is relying solely on automation and neglecting the human touch. Remember, YouTube is a social platform, and engagement is key. Respond to comments, interact with your viewers, and foster a sense of community. Another pitfall is sacrificing quality for quantity. Automation should never come at the expense of your content's quality. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your audience. Don't fall into the trap of using clickbait titles or misleading thumbnails. This may attract views in the short term, but it will ultimately harm your channel's reputation and credibility. Finally, be patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, even with automation. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, experiment with different strategies, and never give up on your dreams. YouTube automation can be your ticket to a thriving online business and a steady stream of passive income. By automating key tasks, you can free up valuable time to focus on creating high-quality content that engages your audience and grows your channel. Remember to choose the right tools, develop a solid content strategy, and stay informed about copyright and fair use guidelines. Be patient, persistent, and never stop learning. The world of YouTube is constantly evolving, so stay ahead of the curve by experimenting with new strategies and embracing the ever-changing landscape. Now go out there, automate your way to success, and show the world what you've got.